Tired of watching other people score free Starbucks while you're stuck paying full price? Today, we're unlocking all the secrets to raking in those precious stars and redeeming awesome rewards on the Starbucks app, so you can finally enjoy that free latte. Let's get started. First, understand the basics. For every dollar you spend at Starbucks, you earn stars. The current rate is usually 1 star per dollar, but there's more to it than that. Look out for bonus star offers. Check your app regularly because Starbucks frequently offers personalized deals and bonus opportunities. These can be anything from earning double stars on specific days or for purchasing particular items. Tap the offers section to see what's available to you. Load your Starbucks card within the app and use it to pay. Not only does this make transactions faster, but it also ensures you're always earning stars. Understand the rewards levels. As you accumulate stars, you unlock different reward levels. Check the app to see what you can redeem at each stage. Think free customizations, pastries, or even a handcrafted drink. Saving up for those higher value rewards can be totally worth it. Maximize your order and use the customize options. A small change to your order can allow you to reach that point value for that free pastry. Do you have 70 stars and that pastry is worth 50? Add whipped cream or a flavor and unlock using your stars. Keep an eye on personalized deals. Starbucks tracks your preferences and sends you deals tailored to your favorite drinks and food. Don't miss out on these targeted opportunities to earn stars faster. Spread the love and you could get up to 50 stars. It's a win-win. Now you're armed with the knowledge to become a Starbucks rewards master. Start earning those stars, redeeming those rewards, and enjoying that free coffee.